If we talk about a lifetime of mobility as our stance here at OrthoUnited, you can look at the things that we do, for young patients. We are all in the community covering high school programs and football teams. All of our doctors, at least most of our doctors, will spend their Friday nights on the sidelines caring for the local high schools. So we start where we're seeing young patients and dealing with their issues. We have a large multi-specialty group that deals with a variety of sports medicine issues to hand and upper extremity until the patients get a little bit older, and then we're dealing with their total knees and total hip replacements, their spine surgeries. We've been doing it for a long time, and we plan to be doing it for a lot longer because all of us take a lot of pride in living in Stark County and treating patients from Stark County.
Conveniently scheduling appointments online today at orthounitedohio.com.